Federalism is a system of government where power is divided between a central authority and regional units. These units, often called states or provinces, have a degree of autonomy and govern their own affairs. This power-sharing arrangement is enshrined in a constitution, which acts as a blueprint for the relationship between the center and the regions. The purpose of federalism is multifaceted. It aims to prevent the concentration of power in one entity, thus safeguarding against tyranny. It recognizes the diversity of a nation and allows for regional differences in governance. Federalism also fosters citizen participation by bringing government closer to the people. However, the ideal of federalism often faces challenges in practice. Balancing the interests of the central government with the aspirations of regional units is a delicate act. This balancing act becomes even more intricate in diverse societies with varying levels of economic development and distinct cultural identities. As we delve deeper into the complexities of federalism, we will explore the various challenges it faces, drawing on examples from around the world. From the United States to India, the story of federalism is one of constant negotiation, adaptation, and the pursuit of a more perfect union. One of the most enduring challenges of federalism lies in managing the distribution of power between the central government and regional units. This delicate balance is often tested by jurisdictional overlaps, where both levels of government claim authority over the same policy area. Central dominance is a recurring theme in federal systems. The central government, with its broader mandate and greater resources, may try to impose its will on regional units. This can lead to resentment and resistance from regions that feel their autonomy is being eroded. A prime example of this tension can be seen in the United States, where conflicts over environmental regulations are common. The federal government sets nationwide standards, but states may resist implementing them, citing their unique circumstances or economic concerns. These power struggles highlight the need for clear constitutional provisions, effective communication channels, and a spirit of cooperation between the center and the regions. Without these elements, federalism risks becoming a source of conflict rather than a framework for unity and diversity. Financial arrangements are at the heart of any federal system. The allocation of resources between the central government and regional units can have a profound impact on economic development and social equity. Resource imbalances often create tension. Regions rich in natural resources may feel shortchanged by revenue-sharing formulas, while poorer regions may become overly dependent on central government transfers. This can lead to disparities in public service provision and hinder overall economic growth. Nigeria's experience with oil wealth exemplifies this challenge. While oil-rich states have prospered, other regions have lagged behind, fueling resentment and political instability. Addressing fiscal imbalances requires a careful balancing act. The central government must ensure adequate funding for national priorities while providing sufficient fiscal autonomy to regional units. Innovative approaches, such as equalization payments and collaborative fiscal management, can help bridge the gap and promote more equitable development. Political dynamics add another layer of complexity to federal systems. Partisan conflicts can spill over from the national level to regional politics, creating tensions between the center and the regions. When different political parties control the central government and regional units, it can lead to gridlock and policy paralysis. Opposition-led states may resist implementing central government initiatives, viewing them as politically motivated. The United States, with its two-party system, frequently grapples with this challenge. The partisan divide can exacerbate existing tensions over policy issues, making it difficult to find common ground. Ensuring fair and effective representation of regional interests at the national level is crucial. Mechanisms such as a bicameral legislature with a strong upper house representing the regions can provide a platform for regional voices to be heard and foster a sense of inclusiveness. Section 5. Administrative roadblocks, coordination, and capacity. Beyond the political and financial realms, administrative challenges can also hinder the smooth functioning of a federal system. Coordinating policies and programs across different levels of government requires effective communication, shared goals, and mutual trust. Capacity gaps, where regional units lack the expertise or resources to implement policies effectively, can undermine service delivery. This is particularly acute in areas such as disaster relief, where a coordinated response is essential. The aftermath of Hurricane Katrina in the United States exposed the shortcomings of intergovernmental coordination. Confusion over responsibilities and a lack of preparedness at various levels of government hampered relief efforts. Investing in capacity building at the regional level, fostering intergovernmental dialogue, and establishing clear protocols for emergency response are vital steps towards overcoming administrative roadblocks and ensuring the effective delivery of public services. Section 6. The Indian Case. A unique federal experience. India presents a fascinating case study of federalism in action. With its vast size, linguistic diversity, and complex social fabric, India faces unique challenges in balancing unity and diversity. The Indian Constitution establishes a quasi-federal system with a strong central government and varying degrees of autonomy granted to states. The central government plays a significant role in areas such as defense, foreign policy, and national economic planning. However, states have considerable powers in areas such as law and order, education, and health. The Indian system also features special provisions for certain states, recognizing their unique historical and cultural contexts. Over the years, India has witnessed both cooperation and conflict between the center and the states. The relationship has evolved, with states asserting greater autonomy while recognizing the need for a strong center to address national challenges. Section 7, Global Perspective, Federalism in a Diverse World. Federalism is not a one-size-fits-all model. Its implementation and effectiveness vary significantly across different countries and contexts. From the cooperative federalism of Canada to the more decentralized approach of Switzerland, each nation adapts the principles of federalism to its unique circumstances. In some cases, federalism has been instrumental in managing ethnic and linguistic diversity. Belgium, for example, has adopted a complex federal structure to accommodate its Flemish and Walloon communities. However, federalism is not a panacea for all political ills. In some instances, it has exacerbated existing divisions or failed to prevent conflict. The breakup of Yugoslavia serves as a stark reminder that federal arrangements must be carefully crafted and nurtured to succeed. Studying the successes and failures of federalism around the world provides valuable insights into the challenges and opportunities it presents. It underscores the need for flexibility, adaptability, and a commitment to dialogue and compromise. Section 8. Finding the balance towards a more perfect union. The challenges of federalism are real and complex, but they are not insurmountable. By embracing the principles of cooperation, flexibility, and mutual respect, federal systems can navigate these challenges and emerge stronger. Constitutional clarity is paramount. Clearly delineating the powers and responsibilities of the central government and regional units can help prevent conflicts and ensure a more predictable and stable relationship. Effective intergovernmental relations are essential. Establishing regular channels of communication, fostering trust, and promoting collaboration between different levels of government can help resolve disputes and facilitate joint problem-solving. Fiscal arrangements should be fair and equitable. Ensuring that all regions have access to adequate resources and that revenue-sharing mechanisms reflect the needs and contributions of different units is crucial for promoting balanced development. Ultimately, the success of federalism hinges on the willingness of all stakeholders to work together, to compromise, and to prioritize the common good over narrow interests. It is through such collaborative efforts that federal systems can truly live up to their promise of unity and diversity. Section 9. Conclusion. The enduring relevance of federalism. In an increasingly interconnected yet fragmented world, Federalism remains as relevant as ever. It offers a compelling model for governing diverse societies, accommodating regional aspirations, and promoting citizen participation. While the challenges of federalism are undeniable, so too are its potential rewards. By embracing its core principles and learning from both successes and failures, we can strive to create federal systems that are more responsive, equitable, and resilient. As we navigate the complexities of the 21st century, federalism offers a path towards a more just, inclusive, and prosperous future for all. It is a journey worth undertaking, for in the pursuit of a more perfect union, we may yet find a better way to live together on this shared planet.